Hi, this is Gammy from Solsta Networks. In this video, I'll be showing you how to deploy releases to Solsta using the Solsta Runner plugin for TeamCity. This video assumes you've already installed the Solsta Runner plugin on your TeamCity server and set up some agents with the prerequisites. As a quick reminder, you must create a product, environment, and repository in the Solsta desktop application before you configure the build steps from this plugin. This is easy to do, and we have a separate video for it, but here's a quick recap on how to do that. Easy peasy, right? With an environment created, let's jump into the project configuration section of the TeamCity web UI. Within the Build Steps section, click on Add Build Steps. From the Runner Type dropdown, choose Solsta Deploy. Give the step a friendly and snazzy name that reflects your eclectic personality. Now you'll need the client ID and secret provided to your company when you signed up for Solsta. If you don't have these, ask the primary point of contact for Solsta in your company or open a support ticket directly with Solid State Networks. Once your credentials are entered, the plugin will fetch the objects in your Solsta deployment database. So then you can just pick your product, environment, and repository from these appropriately named drop-down boxes. If you are deploying only to a specific subdirectory from your build, specify the name of that folder in the working directory field here. In my case, my build step writes files to a data folder, so I'll type in data and click save to wrap this up. Please note that the Solsta Deploy Runner will automatically promote the release being deployed to the environment specified in this dropdown. This means that as soon as this build step succeeds, any of your team members can install or update this environment on their Solsta desktop app and sync with the very latest release. If you want to promote a release from one environment to another, like dev to QA or QA to stage, then you'll be using the Solsta Promote Runner. Just as before, you will need to add a build step, choose Solsta Promote from the Runner Type dropdown, and enter your credentials in the client ID and client secret fields. After that, you will be choosing your source, product, environment, and repository, followed by, you guessed it, the target, product, environment, and repository. What a mouthful. If you configured any deltas to be automatically created in your target environment, then the Solsta Promote Runner will handle that during its execution. So at this point, you've got deploy and promote steps configured. All that's left is to run this pipeline and watch the magic unfold. To get more details for each step, you can go to the Build Log tab for the active run to see the output from the Solsta plugin. You can also pull up the Solsta desktop app and see your new release data make it into your deployment database by navigating to your target environments and repositories during either the deploy or promote build steps. Most of the pages on the app have a refresh button at the bottom, so you can see the latest releases or Delta update paths created as soon as your pipeline gets to those steps. Pretty neat, right? That's it for this video. Feel free to tell your coworkers that your deployments are now Solsta powered. That was a play on solar powered. Hope you got that. Just use the plugin. It's good for you. Pretty neat, right?